If that's a real animal or if it's fake.
Mommy. That's not real, mommy. It is. No, it's not. Look, take it out. Look.
What? Is it real earmuffs?
Exactly. Earmuffs.
Are they real though?
Oh.
That's a
Pull it out.
no.
It's fake. Huh? It's fake.
At this point, it doesn't make any difference, right?
I know.
I'm going to put you on YouTube tonight. You want me on YouTube? Hey, we're standing around here. We're trying to determine if some poor soul was lost in the snow. Or is it a pair of earmuffs? That's the question. I'm going to put you on YouTube. You want to be on YouTube? Tonight, when you go on YouTube, look for earmuffs frozen in snow.
Okay.
Okay? I do this all the time. Look at the snow. When's it going to go? Bye-bye.